Hey guys, Google just announced that Consent Mode version 2 is now a must if you want to play around with all the advertising goodies Google has to offer. And today I'm gonna walk you through how to set it up using Cookiebot and Google Tag Manager. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to the Cookiebot website. It's one of the many tools out there that can handle consent management with Google Consent Mode built right in. Plus it's free to use. Once you are signed up and on your dashboard, you will need to configure your consent pop-up and add your website domain. Now let's get Cookiebot hooked up with GTM, head to the text sections, and we'll grab the Cookiebot CMP tag from the community template gallery. Let's add it to our workspace. Copy your Cookiebot ID from the implementation section, paste it into the tag configuration, and enable Google Consent Mode. Next up, choose your default consent state. I'm keeping mine on the cautious side, with everything denied until the user decides otherwise. Now let's set up a trigger to fire the consent pop-up. We'll use the consent initialization trigger to make sure it pops up before anything else. Before previewing, let's go to the admin section, container setting, and enable consent overview. Okay, now it's preview time. Let's test it out on our side and make sure the consent pop-up shows up as expected. Once you've given your consent, check out the tag assistant to see if everything fired correctly. Okay, we have successfully added consent to our page. But there is more, we need to tweak our triggers too. Instead of relying on all the pages trigger, let's create a custom trigger for the cookie consent update event. This ensures our tags wait for the user consents before firing. Test it out again, and once we are happy with everything, save and publish your changes. To be 100% sure that we're sending data to GA4, let's open Google DevTools, then Network, and type G in order to find our request to GA4. If we can see this GSC ID and GSD ID, it means that everything is working correctly. Remember, it's essential to test thoroughly and ensure your setup aligns with your privacy policy and user settings. But once you are good to go, sit back, relax, and let Consent Mode handle the rest. Until next time, happy tagging!